Breezy Point again, guys. This is part 2. Because we had a rough time last time. And it's just 3 of us today. Hopefully. And we're off. The lunch is busy today. Lot of people, look. Lots of people. Yeah. Nice. Woo. Part 2. We're on the red again. Tignan natin kung kakagatin nila to. Kala nyo dito ang isda.
Tama. At pagkakas kasi nandito ang isda. Tama.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, dyan nga ako magkakas. Ano ba? I'm trying on the red Ned rig.
Ito na naman si Nedrick madami nagsisipag-gapang-gapang lang sa harapan natin.
Kaya na. Ang galing mo dyan ang linya mo dito kasi maghagis dito sa kabila. Sa side namin.
Sabi mo kasi dito eh.
Guaranteed na kain lang yan.
Yan, 20 feet. Ito may ganyan na yan.
Tignan natin kung trip niya yung ano ko. Ayun. Oh my goodness, kinagat niya na. Yeah, I felt that. Palit muna tayo na ano. Tigilan muna natin mga harap sa Ned rig. Ha? Kinagat na nga ako kanina. Ano ko ba? I experienced it first hand. Nikagat niya na eh. Ha? Okay, switch na tayo. Ha? Switch na tayo. Swim jig na tayo. Baka may makilaro.
Ganda ng board ah. Dali ah.
Huli. Net. Yeah, malaki. Ito madali na.
Wait, pare. Takina sandali. Pagurin mo muna. Para napakalaki. Kita ko ng bulto. Ow!
Ow! Yeah! Yeah! Get it! That's a foul!
Measure muna.
Talking about.
It's a monster! It's a monster! Monster Rancher! Ayun eh! Maniraan tayong buhay?
Ay, ito'y sira ito. Talagang guaranteed sira ito. What the fuck?
Oh. Boom!
Meter. Oh, bukatin mo. ME ito, Mike. Guaranteed.
Guaranteed yan.
Guaranteed dito.
28. Sakto.
28.
28 yeah. 28 all day.
Okay. Bye-bye.
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 Release the Kraken. Bye-bye.
Di malakas na malaki ng tinalis niya.
Sandali. I am tired right now. Galing ah. Na one time mode. Ganda top bite. Ganun ba yun? Malay mo. Oh. Huwag kang tumigil mga rap. Dito kinagatan last time eh. Oh. Yun, kinagat. Yeah. Ay, wala, maliit. Maliit. Small one. Higit pa more. Oo nga eh. First fish, guys. First fish.
Alas na tayo.
First fish. Kinablot siya sa ilalim.
We're not sensitive enough. No, spinning. Look at me not spinning.
Shut up.
Ay, dami. Ilan medyo naman yan?
Okay.
Ay.
Ano lang? Oh, second fish. Second fish na. Soldier na, soldier. Ikaw na, ang ganda naman ng kagat mo eh. Oo, sa akin ko bibig mo. Bawangay.
Good! Nice. What fish you wanted that to be? Siguro yung ano? Peter.
More taste ito sa
Oh, saan to?
Lagay mo na niya ako.
Oy.
Update, nobody skunk, one master. We call it good day? Yeah, I think good day.
ME ba? ME nga.
Yeah, it is 28. So El Capitan is the one who's in the lead right now.
Eater.
Eater uli. Yay, makakapag-uwi ako. Hehe. Nice. Nice. The color is so nice.
Dalawa.
Saan? Diyan sa baba.
Tingin tayo yan. Malalaki yan.
Okay.
Good. Kaya mas malaki pa dyan. Malaki pa dyan.
Ay, malaki to.
Malaki yan.
Malaki to. This is a big one. Yeah, takbo ka muna.
Bakit may mas malaki pa?
Mari. Like, let's not get too excited. Oh, this is the big one for the day. Aside from the 28th. Hopefully, madali.
Rough na. Meron din yata ako. Double header pa yata.
Double tayo, double. Mukhang
Hindi, nagsabit-sabit na lang kayo.
laka.
Double header pa.
Double nga. Teka. Ikot mo yung ano mo. Teka, ikot kayo.
water po.
Itakas na natin pa. Dalwahin na natin. Dalwahin na natin. Wag tandaan mo lang.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, one.
Wait, wag ko percent lang maano ang drum ko. Wait.
First time.
Oh, malupit. That is cause on tape.
Galing ni Waki Boy. Galing ni Waki Boy. Waki is the key.
Ka na lang.
Nag-ingat boy ako ngayon ah.
Sabi ko na parehong malaki eh. Mike,
Malaki yung kay Tito Mike eh.
mahaba yung sa akin. Malaki lang. Mataba ito.
Pero this is not a master.
Pa kayo, lupit man na.
Sabi ko na dahil sa akin kanila eh.
Good size, oh. Bye-bye. Thank you for biting. You saw that. Double header. Thanks for the argument, guy, right? Hoy. Monto new spot. We have a fishing bonanza here. Everyone is here. Ilang boat yun? At least 20 boats. Oh. Pero they can't beat our double header.
Sipon, walang dadaing hang, walang dadaing na magpapakiramdam, lalo pag nasa bahay tayo.
Bawal yun. As of the moment, we are not allowed to be sick. Sick. We are just sick and tired of catching fish. We're sick and tired, man. Of what? Catching fish. Yun.
Nadali ko po.
Nice.
Them young catches. Oh, buhay pa naman.
Pero wala, malpay. Pero hindi, parang ano. Itmaan sa mukha. Itmaan lang sa mukha si Pogi. Fogger?
Wala lang.
Fogger lang to. Ay, hindi. Walleye.
Oh yeah, it's kind of great yeah.
Walleye. Gitar naman eh. Sa...
What? Not angry.
Us or you?
We're anchored.
So we supposed to do. You guys getting some?
Not so much, but nothing.
Oh yeah.
There you so far.
Sorry about that, guy.
Nah, I thought we
Stuck
got
up on
lost in football. No, NFL today.
Oh. So it's a wrap. That concludes this two-part adventure. And it's still a good day. Caught a few. I'll be able to bring home a few. So we're good. So thank you very much for joining us in this adventure. And the wall I run in Red River is really something else. It's a hit or miss adventure. So thank you for coming with us.